Our world is urbanizing rapidly. Today, some 3.5 billion people live in cities. On the fastest growing continents, Africa and Asia, urban population will more than double by 2050, at which point nearly 7 of 10 people globally will live in cities. The speed and scale of this urbanization brings enormous challenges. Around the globe, cities are struggling to cope with the surge in demand for services, housing, infrastructure and jobs, especially since many new inhabitants come to cities looking for new opportunities. It is estimated more than 1 billion urban poor live in informal settlements in search of a new city life. Meanwhile, recent stresses such as the COVID-19 pandemic, energy crisis, and refugee crisis resulting from Russia's war of aggression in Ukraine are exacerbating urban inequality. In Brussels, dealing with rising inequality is at the top of policymakers' agendas, but the questions raised here need answers around the globe. How do we keep our cities affordable? How do we provide for sufficient and affordable housing? How do we uplift neighborhoods without pushing people out? How do we create sufficient sustainable jobs in the city? How do we avoid segregation of communities, and do we really need a social mix? If answered rightly, our cities can truly fulfill their potential as productivity and innovation hubs, act as a catalyzer for poverty reduction, and uplift living standards for billions of people worldwide.